What's up, my lovely people? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Meeting you after a very long time, guys. आज कल हम लोग एक स्पेशल ड्राइव और स्पेशल इवेंट जोन कर रहे हैं कि वी आर गोइंग टू डिफरेंट कॉर्पोरेट्स एंड वी डूइंग अ लाइव स्टेशंस जो पास्ता के हो, मोमोस के हो, पाव भाजी हो, and it is going like a bang. It is like a wave. So today also we are heading to Thane, one of our very old clients and a very premier client as well. And today we are going to do shawarmas, chicken shawarma, paneer shawarma, and we are doing subs. So it's going to be an exciting one. We're doing subs for the first time. So let's see how this is going, and I'll keep on showing you how the day unfolds.
So this is how the setup is looking like. Today we're doing live substation and shawarmas. Subs are getting ready here. Shawarma is ready here. All the accompaniments are ready. Complete induction setup.
अपने lovely वाले chicken shawarmas which are getting ready. एक चिकन सब देना प्लीज. चिकन सब तुम्हाला एक चिकन सब और एक कर दो प्लीज. अच्छा चिकन शॉर्मा एंड चिकन शॉर्मा सर रेडी आप लेके जाइए. हाँ.
Say this chicken sub is very nice, very tasty, and the price is also very affordable.
खूप खूप टेस्टी आहे हे चिकन सबवे. ही दुसरी प्लेट आहे आमची आणि अजून आवडलं तर आमची तिसरी प्लेट पण होऊ शकते.
What's up, lovely people? 6 बज रहे approximately and we've just finished service. Catered to almost, I think, around 800 odd people. It was nice, it was fun. And subs पहली बार किए हमने, which was a good learning experience for us as well. और मंडे को हम फिर से करेंगे for around 1000 odd people. So be tuned for that space as well. और comments में मुझे बताइए कि आपका favorite item कौन सा है which you will like to see as a live offering to you. Till then, be safe, be hungry, be good, and keep watching this space. Bye bye.